Welcome to my channel.
Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Educational Vibes. Today, we're going to explore all the fun and exciting parts of a house. Let's get started. Roof, the top covering of the house. Chimney, a pipe for smoke to exit, usually on the roof. Windows. Openings in the walls to let in light and air. Doors. Used to enter and exit the house. Stairs. Steps that help us go up and down. Wall. It surrounds us and holds up the roof. Floor. The part we walk and play on. Living room. A space for family time and relaxing. Kitchen. A place for cooking and preparing food. Dining room. A room for eating meals. Bedroom. A room for sleeping. Bathroom. A room with a toilet, sink, and sometimes a shower or bathtub. Backyard. The outdoor space behind the house. Closet. A small space for storing clothes or other items. Ceiling. The overhead interior surface.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.